Some hope coming in for the Aam Aadmi Party leaders after Sanjay Singh, the former Rajya Sabha MP, who's also been associated with the party since the beginning, got bail by the top court and is likely to walk out of jail post 2 p.m. today. Aam Aadmi Party MP to be discharged from the hospital at about 11 a.m. is what we are told. Because there will be, of course, some protocols and health concerns that will have to be taken into consideration. We are told that Sanjay Singh's wife will reach the court at about 10 a.m. and once the procedure ends, everything is officially cleared. That is when Sanjay Singh will walk out of the prison. Remember, he was arrested in October last year, so it's been over 6 months for Sanjay Singh. In the liquor policy case, he's managed to get bail. This is going to be a big relief, remember, for Sanjay Singh at least, because another close aide, minister, leader of Aam Aadmi Party, Manish Sisodia, in the same case, has been behind bars in custody for over a year. Satyendra Jain is going to complete almost 2 years. Arvind Kejriwal has been now thrown into the Tihar prison. Ashutosh Mishra is joining me right outside Sanjay Singh's residence. Ashutosh, for the past few years, you've constantly tracked Sanjay Singh's journey, specifically with regard to the Aam Aadmi Party, the kind of graph that Sanjay Singh has shown, and now to Rajya Sabha. What kind of relief do you think this will bring to Sanjay Singh? What will be their strategy when he walks out? And why this delay? Because if the bail was granted yesterday, why today the walkout? A mix of questions. Go ahead, Ashutosh.
Well, let's respond to first why this delay. Actually, it's the procedural issues because he's in hospital. He was admitted and he'll be released around 10 or 11 o'clock. And then the family and the lawyers have gone to Rouse Avenue Court with the Supreme Court order. So the court, the trial court, which sent him the judicial custody, that court should issue a release order following the Supreme Court order of his release. So once that order is issued, the lawyer and the family members will be taking that release order to Tihar jail. Immediately after his discharge from the hospital, he will be taking to Tihar jail because that's where he was lodged in judicial custody. Then the formalities will take place around 1 or 1.5 hours, and then probably one can expect that after 1 or 2 o'clock he'll be released from Tihar court. So that's totally a procedural issue. That's what's taking delay. Just a couple of minutes ago, I've seen the family members who have left to the hospital to meet him there, and then this legal process will begin. As far as relief is concerned, so this is extraordinary for the Aam Aadmi Party.
Yes.
Considering that what has been happening with them, arrest of Satyendra Jain, Manish Sisodia, Arvind Kejriwal, and then Sanjay Singh, and then the situation, the PMLA cases, exactly the stringent law that literally wouldn't allow bail in any circumstances. But clearly in this case, this has also given the entire hearing of Sanjay Singh in the Supreme Court, and the way the observations were made by the Supreme Court judges, questioning the money trail, questioning the necessity of keeping someone in custody for really long if there is no substance. So clearly on that ground, if Sanjay Singh walks out, that also gives a political relief to the Aam Aadmi Party in the general elections, because Arvind Kejriwal, the commander-in-chief, being in jail, who will lead the party for the campaigning? Of course, we already see some strategies. The Aam Aadmi Party was totally prepared for it, but this gives him a relief. Now they will have Sanjay Singh like one leader who's well in, who's a good orator,
I'll be
good
waiting
leadership.
for the first reaction. If Sanjay Singh starts to speak, I'm sure he'll be speaking to you. So we'll be waiting for that. Sanjay Singh set to walk out of prison, a relief, even though it's been 6 months, of course. But compared to Manish Sisodia, Satyendra Jain, and looking at a long haul possibly for Kejriwal, he is now out at least with interim relief.